The Coffee Shop Mistake, an English learning story for Listen and Learn English podcasts. Welcome to Listen and Learn English podcasts. Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English podcasts, your friendly place to improve your English through interesting stories and real-life conversations. Story, read slowly and clearly. Maria was nervous. It was her first day working at Sunny Coffee Shop in New York City. She had studied English for 2 years in her home country, but speaking with real customers was different. Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Coffee Shop. Maria practiced in front of the mirror before opening time. Her manager, Tom, smiled at her. You'll do great, Maria. Just remember, listen carefully and don't be afraid to ask customers to repeat themselves, Tom said kindly. The first customer arrived at 8 a.m. He was a tall man in a business suit talking quickly on his phone. I'll have a large coffee with room, he said, still looking at his phone. Maria froze. With room? She didn't understand. She knew large coffee, but what did room mean? A coffee with a room? That made no sense. Excuse me, sir, Maria said politely. Can you repeat, please? The man looked up from his phone. Sure, a large coffee with room for cream. Maria understood now. He wanted space in the cup to add cream later. Yes, of course. One large coffee with room, Maria said, smiling with relief. The morning continued. Maria made small mistakes, but she learned something new from each customer. When someone asked for a coffee to go, she learned it meant in a paper cup to take away. When another customer wanted their coffee extra hot, she understood they wanted it hotter than usual. At lunchtime, a friendly woman came in. Hi, I'd like a cappuccino and a croissant, please. Maria prepared the order carefully. When she gave the woman her change, she said, Here is your change. Have a nice day. The woman smiled warmly. Thank you. Your English is wonderful. Keep practicing. Those words made Maria's whole day better. She realized that making mistakes was okay. Every mistake was a chance to learn. By the end of her first day, Maria felt proud. She had learned new expressions, helped many customers, and most importantly, she had overcome her fear of speaking English. Tom came over as Maria was cleaning up. Great job today, Maria. I knew you could do it. Maria smiled. Thank you, Tom. I made many mistakes, but I learned a lot. That's the best way to learn, Tom replied. See you tomorrow. As Maria walked home that evening, she thought about her day. Yes, she had been nervous. Yes, she had made mistakes. But she had also succeeded, and tomorrow she would be even better. Thank you for listening. Did you enjoy this story? Like this episode if you learned something new today. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English podcast for more stories and lessons.
Subscribe to learn English.